Working on a 2004 F350, YouTube fans. And this came in with a no start. Got all the batteries jumped up on it. I'd already hooked my computer to it. So I noticed one thing when we turn the key. We get nothing. So I don't see no alarms in it. But that's not gonna stop me. These do have a little mechanism where you can turn them on. Key is already forward. And so we come over here, no oil pressure, check our scanner, got a couple of codes, nothing too bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the oil filter and see what's going on in there. Normally take a 36-inch socket. Look at that. Bone dry. So, go back to this little guy here. And watch here. I've already checked the oil. Check it again to clarify she has oil. Does kind of sludge, but we will still get some kind of oil pressure in there. But that's where she's at. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to take the front timing cover off. I had this on another video. We're going to make sure we check all the front timing components on the oil pump. The engine sounds good. It has compression. I am going to do a buzz test to my injectors just to see if I have any bad injectors. But that will be in a little bit later, and stay tuned.